boss lady, so I just got a message and one of my clients said, when I have sales conversation with my prospects, they love my product and service, but don't have money. What am I doing wrong? So let me answer that for you. And I'm going to teach you a simple 6-step system that helped me increase my sales conversation conversions by as much as 45%. Are you ready? I'm going to go step by step. So number 1 is set expectation. And part of that is when you are scheduling your sales conversation, make sure that your prospect knows that that's what it's about. Make sure your prospect knows that you're going to talk about helping them with their problem or challenge. When you begin your phone call, tell them what is the structure of the call. So make sure they know exactly what you're going to talk about and how it's going to go. That way they don't take over conversation or start asking questions before it's time. Number 2 is get to know them. And I mean, really get to know them. What is their problem? Why? What did they try before that didn't work? Why are they looking for a solution right now? And I tell you, when you go to a doctor, if your doctor gave you a prescription right there before they even ask you questions, would you take the prescription? So really get to know your prospect. Figure out what is it that they need and why. Step number 3 is make them feel understood. Like I said, you don't go to the doctor and take a prescription for the sake of taking a prescription. You want to make sure that they know what your problem, what your challenge is, and they give you a solution for it. Really make sure you understand where they're coming from. Number 4 is connect. And I mean, connect the service or product that you're going to offer them with the challenge they're having, or what is the solution that they're looking for? What's the result that they're looking for? So how is your product or service going to help them? Number 5, you make an offer. So now that you know exactly what they need and which one of your products or services is going to help them, tell them, hey, I have this one service, it's going to help you. Do you want to talk about it? So now you're making an offer in a way that they feel understood. They know that you can help them, and use their words. So if they told you that they want to lose 15 pounds to fit in their old jeans, you tell them that your product, if you're in the health industry or fitness industry, that your product or service would help them lose 15 pounds to fit into their old jeans. And that way, you're not being too technical. You're not going all nerdy on your product or service. And I know you are the expert, but in order for your prospects, for your clients to feel understood, you need to use their words. The last one is the one that people often just drop off. And the moment they hear, oh, I don't have money, or I don't think it's for me right now, or I don't have time, most of the people just say, thanks, bye, where really you need to see through your solution and how it's going to help your clients. Don't give up. Don't give up just because someone says they don't have money. Dig deeper. Is it that they don't have money, or they don't understand how your product works? Is it that they don't have money, or they just don't have the whole chunk of money right now? Can you break it down into payments? Can you take a down payment right now and possibly start your service later? What are the options that you can offer them around don't have money objection? If they don't have time, how is your product or service going to save them time? Explain it. Most of the time, people come up with an objection, or I call it an excuse, because they're missing information. So make sure that you know exactly what information they're missing and help them understand how your product or service is going to help them get the results that they want. So here's a simple 6-step system. You can go implement it right now. It will increase your conversions. I know that from my experience. But if you are looking for a mentor to help you implement this system or fill your pipeline with new prospects and new clients all the time, just click on the button below and fill out a mentorship application form. I'll be happy to jump on the call with you and see how I can help you.